Today we're making a Paraguayan classic, Chipa guazú. It's a savory corn pie similar to sopa paraguaya, but made with fresh corn instead of corn flour. It's perfect as a side dish or delicious on its own. Let's get started with the ingredients and the steps. 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Adjust the salt to taste depending on the cheese you're using, as some are saltier than others. 350 grams of semi-soft or semi-firm cheese. I'm using a Mexican cheese blend. 2 tablespoons of neutral oil, or use butter if you prefer. 1/4 cup of whole milk. 8 large eggs. 1 kilogram of fresh corn kernels. Frozen or canned corn also works. Just thaw and drain well before using. 1 large onion, chopped. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, equivalent to 175 degrees Celsius. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, heat the oil. Add the onions and season with salt. Cook until they become soft and translucent, about 5 minutes, without letting them brown. Remove the skillet from the heat and set aside to cool. In a blender or food processor, add the eggs and blend for 3 minutes. Add the fresh corn and milk to the blender and pulse for 15 seconds, just enough to break up the corn kernels. Be careful not to overblend, as you want to maintain some texture and avoid turning it into a puree. Transfer the blended corn mixture to a large bowl. Add the cool onion mixture and cheese and stir until well combined. Pour the corn mixture into a greased and cornmeal coated 13-inch by 9-inch baking dish. Bake in the preheated oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until the top turns golden brown and a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the chipa guazú to cool slightly before serving. And that's it, chipa guazú. Tender, cheesy, and delicious. Make it once and I promise, it'll become a favorite at your table. I hope you love this recipe. I'll leave the ingredients here so you can pause and copy them. You can also find them listed in the description below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. See you next time. Ciao!